Today we will be talking about limits. I will not be further explaining how this one has been derived, but we will be familiarizing the formula itself. Kaya na-derive naman ni siya daan. And if you want to know the derivation, I suggest you should watch videos from other content creators. But for me here, my target is to answer and to apply the concept of this formula. So the first one that we have three formulas that we should be memorizing or familiarizing. First one is the limit of sine x over x as x approaches to 0. I remind that only if x approaches to 0, this function will equal to 1, the same as well as in these other two. Basta si x approaches 0, kanida yun nga formula. And for this one, limit of 1 minus cos x over x as x approaches to 0, ihang answer is always 0. The same as the limit of tan x over x as x approaches to 0 again, ihang answer igawas is 1. So without further ado, let's try to solve the examples. For example number 1, limit of sine 3x over x as x approaches to 0. From the first formula na sine x over 3x is equal to 1, ginamin ato na whatever the variable here should be the same in the variable in the denominator. So that's our target. Dapat same si x diri, same pud si x dara. So from our problem, since dili same ang diri numerator nga argument sa sign and dili same sa denominator, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 over 3. And this will give us equal to limit of, since constant, pwede na siya butang sa likod, 3 limit of sine 3x over 3x. Multiply lang diretso. Multiply. And as x approaches to 0. Now, natay same argument and same na ang denominator. So, this one should be equal to 1, right? But to simplify, we can plug in now the values equal to 3. Kani nga limit is equal to 1. So, times 1. So, our answer should be equal to 3. As limit of sine 3x over x as x approaches to 0, it will give us 3. For our problem number 2, we have the sine ax tan bx as x approaches to 0. Para ma-apply na to siya og limit theorem sa numerator, same siya sa sine x over x as x approaches to 0 equal diba kang 1. Tan bx, same siya atong tan x over x equal gihapon kang 1. So, what can we do para mag-apply ang kaninga theorem, kaning duha? We can start by multiplying 1 over ax over ax here. Allow me to rewrite. Limit of x approaches to 0. Sine ax multiplied by ax over ax. And the same sa denominator, and bx multiplied by bx over px. And since natay constant sa numerator, diri pod and diri, we can factor it outside. Limit of x approaches to 0. Nata sa gawas na ax sine ax over ax all over bx times and bx over bx. And by limit concept na if na ay division, pwede na ito ma-distribute si limit ug sulat. And magawas ang constant. Just follow my solution. May mo siyang ax over bx na. Gawas ko ni pagawas. And i-distribute si limit times limit x approaches to 0 of sine ax over ax all over limit x approaches to 0 of tan bx over dx. So, this one, x over x, ma-cancel out, equals, ang bili na lang is equal to a over b. This one, di ba, is sa tong limit theorem ganiha is equal to 1. Good, equal kang 1. So, therefore, answer is 1 over 1. Final answer na A over B. Ano lang ang concept niya.